Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Mary Manon, and in this video I'm going to show you another tool in Builderall that shows you where people are clicking on your website. It's called Click Map. It's a very useful tool because sometimes people are clicking anywhere on your website in white spots and places where you never think people would be clicking, and you have a button right there and they're not clicking on it. Or sometimes you have words and they're in different colors or they're highlighted, and it means that you can click on it. It's going to bring you somewhere or give you a description or anything. So in this little tool helps you to see if you put a button and people don't see it, you get the chance maybe to change your things around and everything. So hey, if you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell so you know when I put a new video on. And hey, let's go with the video. Okay, so I'm showing you another great tool in Builderall. It's called Click Map. So the way you have to go you go on your sidebar, go to apps, go on Click Map, and you land up on this page. You have to add a new website, so you do add new. You will land up on a page like this. So you have to name your page, your map page, and you have to put your URL, your live version that is already on the web. And here you leave this alone, and we stay at centered. Okay, so once it's there, you have to make sure that you have the code. So you go and get the code, you copy the code, and you have to open your live editor of the website we're talking about. Once there, you open the layout. You go into the little settings, and you have to copy the script right here in scripts. So that's the third box, the last box. So you copy your code right here. You go to save. You go to the page we're talking about. So this is the layout. I went here, and this is the page. You go to the little wheel again, and we go and put the code down here in the head script. So we paste the code right here. Okay, remember, paste is CTRV to paste in Builderall. And we save, and publish. So you can do here save and publish. Right here, save and publish. And once it's saved, you can wait a little bit, like 5 minutes, because it takes a little bit of time depending on your internet. Then you go and open your web page that you want to map, and you make a test. So that means you're gonna click a little bit everywhere. You click wherever you want to make test. So we clicking here, I'm clicking here, here. It's just a test that we're making. Okay, here we go, and then we go to the Click Map page, and we ask for it to show the map. So we're going to see if our work has been good. We open. Sometimes it can take a bit of time. If there's a problem with your script that you have copied in your page or your editor, it's gonna ask you to check it anyways. So here we can see everywhere where I clicked a while ago. Okay, so it means we're on track and everything is working. So here you can test it with clicks instead of heat map. So we're gonna see all the little clicks where it has been done. Okay, so you can see all the little red dots. That means we were clicking around there. Okay, and you can also go and check dates. So if you want to see yesterday or the other days, you can go and check that out, and it's gonna say you. Okay, so that's the way we use Click Map, a very fun tool. So I'm gonna see you in the next video.